So right now is March 1st, 2023. They said winter storm still remains in effect until 10 p.m. tonight. What a heavy snow. Well, the total snow accumulations as of right now from yesterday is 6 or 7 inches from 3,000 to 4,000 feet, but we're living here at we're at about 6,000 feet, so it's about 3 feet here. Winds could gust as high as 65 mph, so travel could be very difficult because the hazardous condition could impact the commuters. Gusty winds, and the trees could bring down all the branches, so it's all the hard work of my husband went to crap. All his shoveling from 3 days accumulated again. Hopefully this stops soon. It feels like it's 10 degrees outside, but the weather said it's only 17 degrees. But it feels like 10 degrees. It's cold. Stay safe, guys.